Welcome! If you want to customize your always on display in VIVO X60 Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings, pick lock screen and the wallpaper, tap on the always on display, and as you can see at the first we can change off-screen styles. So here we got the couple of the themes. We can also enter here our own text. The same here, when you tap on the screen we can add additional time zone. And here we got the digital clocks. We can also go for the personalized styles. So here we can find more themes. So we can switch between classic and the personalized. We can go, for example, for this one, it looks very nice. So we have to click to apply. And when you go back, take a look, we can also set up the display mode. So when you move our smartphone slightly, we will get this option, but I prefer to display all day, so select this option. And here we can also go for the notification, and as you can see, we can enable or disable phone and messages notifications on the screen. So you can decide if you want to get it. I won't, so that's why I just leave it selected. And then let me just go back and take a look. As you can see, our theme of always on display has changed. And that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.